Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Reality Check. In this video, I will be discussing about human senses. That how many senses does we actually have? At school, we are taught about our five senses, but actually there are many more than that. There are some argument about the exact number of senses because as the science is developing, many research is coming forward. So, some neurologists believe that there are actually 21 human senses, and some believe that there are even 52 human senses. In this, they are including like emotions, thoughts, spirituality, belief, and many more. But you will find there are actually 9 basic senses which are subdivided into many more senses. So, in this video, I will be discussing the 9 human senses about which we should definitely aware of. First, I will discuss a little about the basic 5 senses about which we already know, which is vision, hearing, smell, taste and touch. So first, let's discuss about vision. Vision is the ability to make use of what is seen through our eyes. Receptors in the retina at the back of the eye detect changes in light. However, it is not just seeing, but this human sense also include remembering, organizing, recognizing and using visual information. Number 2 is hearing. Hearing is the sense that involves our detection of sound, awareness of the presence and location of sound, and discrimination of the sound from others, comparing differences in rate, intensity, duration and pitch. Number 3 is smell. Our sense of smell is one of our strongest senses. It affects our ability to concentrate and activity level. Smell tells us about how safe, pleasant or unpleasant things are in our environment. Number 4 is taste. Taste is the sensory perception of food or other things in our tongue. There are 5 basic tastes: sweetness, sourness, saltiness, bitterness, and umami. There is one more important factor about our taste buds, which I will discuss in fresh video. And number 5 is touch. To gain information through different receptors in our skin. It can alert us when something is unpleasant or dangerous. Touch can be in form of light touch, deep pressure, skin stretch, vibration, movement, itching, temperature and pain. Now I will discuss about the 4 more senses, which is balance, proprioception, temperature and pain. So now let's discuss about balance. The vestibular sense, which is input from the inner ear, is our center for balance, or you can say our inner ear functions for our balance. It detects our head position and body movements including up and down, back and forth and side to side movements. Number 2 is proprioception. Proprioception is a person's awareness of their own body in a space. This sense allows us to keep track of where our body parts are without having a look at them. Proprioception works through an awareness of how our muscles are stretching and adjusts the contraction of our muscles as needed. Proprioception is mediated by proprioceptors, mechanosensory neurons located within muscles, tendons and joints. Tendons is a part where a bones and muscle gets attached. Let's understand it with some examples. Like if you are standing on a grass, you can easily tell them without saying it that it's a grass or something, a hard substance like a stone. Even when you are wearing a shoes, you can easily tell them that where you are standing. Even when your skin is not touching that surface, you can tell them. Let's take another example. Like when you throw a ball, you don't look at your arms that how you are holding a ball or how you are throwing it. you just throw it, but your mind knows it very well that how you are holding it or how you are throwing it. So these receptors help in these things. You can also understand it like you are doing a yoga poses or exercise, or you are looking forward, but still you know that where is your all body parts and in which position it is without seeing at them. You can also understand it like you are sitting on a table or doing something, and suddenly you feels like scratching your knees, and without looking at them you just scratches because your mind knows it very well that where is your knees and where you need to scratch it, because these receptors give you track of your whole body parts. And the next is temperature. Like touch, temperature is perceived through sensors in our skin. It has function in keeping us safe. The senses of temperature is made up of distinct sensory receptors for hot and cold located in the dermis. There are more receptors for cold than for hot. As with the sense of touch, every part of your skin senses temperature. And the last one is pain. Like temperature, pain also has a function like keeping us safe. When we feel pain, such as when we touch a hot stove, sensory receptors in our skin send a message via nerve fibers to the spinal cord and brain stem, and then onto the brain where the sensation of pain is registered. The information is processed and the pain is perceived. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.